My dear students of class 2, welcome you all for today's class. Today we are going to learn about new chapter Home Sweet Home from your English textbook. Take out your English textbook and be ready with page number 25. As home sweet home means it's nothing in the world as sweet as a home. East or west, home is the best. It is the only place where we feel safe and very comfortable. Yes or no? Yes, we feel very safe and comfortable. Right? For humans, we are living in our homes like that. Animals and plants also has a different thing. Right? Each and every animal has a home. Right, children? Like dog lives in kennel. Pig lives in sty. Okay, their homes have different names. Okay. Now, let us start the today's lesson, that is home sweet home. Now here you can see in your book, it's been given, draw a big leafy tree. Also draw a few birds and animals that may make this tree their home. Okay, here you can see the white space in your book. Draw a tree, leafy tree, completely bushy tree. Okay, in that you have to draw few birds and in the side draw few animals and make this tree their home. Okay, so this is the work you have to do. Clear, children? Now turn the page. Now see, read this story about how a forest is saved from being cut down. Okay, it's a story about a forest. Few persons will come to cut down the trees. Okay, let us go through about this story once again. One day, 3 wicked men drove to a forest in a jeep. Okay, one day, 3 wicked men drove to a forest in a jeep. They came in a jeep. They took out their axes. After coming, they took out their axes and started cutting down a large tree. Here you can see, children. Okay. 3 wicked men. 3 men came to the forest to cut down a large tree. The tree cried out in pain. Help me, help. They are hurting me. If somebody give you a nice slap, you are crying, no? Because it hurts you. Like the tree is also crying. Please help me. They are hurting me. The tree is crying and telling in pain. The men laughed. See how the man is laughing. Well, cut down all the trees and become rich. We will cut all the trees and we will become rich by selling these trees. Now the next what happened, you see, children. The animals in the forest saw this from afar. All the animals are watching what the 3 men are doing. They are cutting a large tree and the tree is crying, but still the man is not listening to the tree. They were very angry. They were very angry. Why the man is cutting down the tree when the tree is crying? The lion roared. How the lion roars, children? This has to stop. This is our home. How dare they destroy it? The lion is telling. By roaringly, the lion is telling. This has to stop. This is our home. How dare they destroy it? Why you came to destroy it? Okay, the lion is telling. Then the gentle deer who never hurt anyone in his life spoke up. The deer was very gentle and never hurt anyone in his life. And he spoke up, if the men don't leave, I will make them think that I am about to butt them. Butt means to hit with the head or horns. Okay. The deer has a horns, no children? Deer has a horns, no? So with the horns, it will hit with the head or horns. Okay, to hit with the head or horns. That is known as butt. The mighty elephant said, I am big and I will trumpet in their ears. How that elephant sounds, children? Elephant sounds trumpet. Okay. The mighty elephant said, I am big. Yes, we know that elephant is very big, and I will trumpet. It make a sound in their ears. I will stomp on the ground and shake it. When the elephant walks, no, then dhadam, 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 that sound. Okay, that means stomp. Stomp means to walk noisily, usually to show anger. Clear, children? See here, stomp, to walk noisily, usually to show anger. Okay, children. Now, come to the next page. We will flap around their heads, said a flock of birds. We will flap around their heads. The birds are telling, we will flap. That means they will move around their heads, said a flock of birds. We will make them run for cover. We'll make them run for cover so that they can't destroy the forest as they can. Okay, so they wants to disturb the three men by doing different things. Elephant wants to stomp, lion wants to roar, and deer wants to butt. Now flock of birds wants to flap around their heads. Now next what happened, you see, children? The band of monkeys started jumping up and down. If the monkeys jump up and down, we are very scared, no? And chatted also. We will screech. We will screech at these wicked men till they run away. Until and unless they won't leave the forest, they want to disturb all the three men togetherly. Okay. The birds, deer, elephant, lion, monkeys, everyone came together to fight against this. Next, see what happened. All the animals in the forest started walking towards them. They all came togetherly towards the three wicked men. Suddenly, the men heard a rumbling sound. Rumbling means a continuous deep sound. Okay. The ground started shaking. Shaking beneath them. Beneath means below. The ground started shaking beneath them. Means below. Beneath means below. Then they saw the animals charging at them. All the animals came together. Then they thought that these all came together means they all will come at a time and they charge us. That means they fight with them. Okay, next you see. Monkeys were chattering, lions were roaring, and birds were swooping down from above. Birds were coming down and going up. Down, up, like that. Then the animals went roar and woo and chee. All the animals are doing different voices. Okay. The men jumped into their jeep and fled from the forest at top speed. Here fled means ran away. The men jumped into their jeep. All went together to the jeep. Okay, they ran away to the jeep from the forest at top speed, completely speed. They were frightened with all the animals. They were never seen again. The animals never saw these three wicked men in the forest. That is how the animals came together to protect the trees. Understood, children? So here what are the difficult words, children? One is butt, B-U-T-T, butt. That means to hit with the head or horns. Next, stomp, to walk noisily, usually to show anger. Next word is cover. Here cover means protection from danger. Next word, rumbling. Rumbling means a continuous deep sound. I said beneath means below. Charging means rushing towards them. Clear? Charging means rushing towards them. Swooping. Swooping means moving quickly downwards through the air. Fled means ran away. So these are the difficult words of the lesson, and I have explained you the meanings about the lesson and everything. Now it's time up, children. Thank you. See you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.